Biomass naman, no? Tapos na tayo ng hydro, we go to biomass, which is really the more widespread resource. Ito po yung mga iba-ibang energy conversion processes. And these are the biomass energy applications. Cook stoves, gasifiers, digesters, methane capture, power plants, and even biomass conversion to diesel. I'll show a few slides on that later. Ito po yung mga gasifiers. This can be used for cook stoves or furnaces for heating, or maybe Holcim can use that for their kilns. But this is the micro gasifiers. Ito man po yung one. Why don't we convert dam sites into virtual oil fields and refineries? It is eco-friendly and also profitable. You can use, as I said, municipal solid waste or not necessarily coconut. The only thing that the reason why I put here coconut is because we are trying to work with the Philippine coconut industry to raise the price level of coconuts. Sa ngayon po, 8 piso lang ang isang kilo. Nahihirapan po ng ating farmers. Ayaw nang magtanim, ayaw nang kumuha ng nyug. No? So if we convert that to diesel and we raise the price of copra maybe to 14-15 pesos per kilo, baka man makatulong tayo sa ating mga farmers. And converting solid waste will help us address these two nagging problems. Disposal of municipal solid waste. Nasabi na kanina, ang Bagyo nagbabayad ng milyon just to bring down the solid waste to somewhere dito sa may Tarlac. Hindi ko sasabihin kasi baka, well, it's near Tarlac. And there are a lot of landfills now which are beyond already their accommodation capacities. And yung fuel supply natin is going up again. We have already tasted a $140 per barrel regime, and it may go up to that level again. As soon as the demand, kapatsamba lang po na yung world economy natin have gone down, so the demand for oil went down also. So as the demand now goes up, you see that it is now inching up again. Hopefully it does not go to the same levels of $140 per barrel. But to tell you, the production cost of the KDB technology is lower than 20 pesos per liter. Ito po yung prinsipyo. But go to the internet at makikita. Just place their KDB technology. These are the opportunities. We now have an effective waste disposal. We can support waste segregation. Kung wala naman po kayong basura, you can plant even the feedstock. Dalahin, yung mga tree cuttings, you can use them for diesel manufacture. The diesel output can now be used by the municipality. Libre na po sila sa kanilang lugar. And they can even sell their excess diesel to farmers at very low rates. Emerging technologies, ocean technology, huwag na natin muna pag-usapan yan. Masyado mabigat. I have made 2 years research already on this. But please take this in mind. Ocean is the next vast source of energy. It is coming. Hindi po pwede mo yan. And even during the 2009 Asia Clean Energy Forum, we have to look at it together with nuclear. Sana naman wala akong natataman dito yung mga Greenpeace, etc. But according to the experts, nuclear has to come somewhere, somehow, because of environmental concerns. Safety can be taken care of by, sabi natin, gumagamit ng technology trends in safety. But I am not also a nuclear advocate, but I have already been cautioned. Please only don't put yourself at the middle of the road saying no to nuclear. Kasi we have already, sabi natin, put a position paper against nuclear. But with the international discussions now about the increasing power demand, we have to think about these technologies. Fuel cells, this is the hydrogen economy, and you know, it is still, hydrogen is good, no? Because it's a clean fuel. However, to produce hydrogen, for 1 kilowatt hydrogen energy output, you need about 2 kilowatts to produce that fuel. Ito po yung itsura ng marine current technology, windmills under the sea. Ito po naman yung fuel cells natin. And this is the hydrogen economy. You know, it is an unending cycle. And the only reason I showed it here is because of the possible use of hydrogen for transportation. Kasi po, ang napakalaki pong nagpo-pollute na the atmosphere comes not from the power plants, but mainly from transportation. So we are looking into electric vehicles, hydrogen-powered vehicles also. Energy efficiency is something that you and me should really push, because this is the most affordable. Tulad ng sabi ng Holcim kanina, you just economize. You don't even have this pennicing in Singapore. Now, there are initiatives here, demand-side management. I think you know that. Green buildings. Distributed energy means rather than putting up now big power plants with an extensive transmission network, we would like to have to look at smaller generating plants covering certain municipalities, and the excess can be connected to the grid. This will now lessen the vulnerability of our transmission networks from tripping. Ang nangyayari ko kasi, hindi naman po pag nag-trip na nag-brown out tayo, hindi naman ibig sabihin wala tayong kuryente. Napatsamba lang ho that somewhere somehow nag-trip yung transmission line, and like a domino effect, for protection, for safety, the different networks have to trip one after the other until the fault is located, and it can be going up again. The problem is power plants are not easy to demobilize or to put into stream again. Switch movement, nangyari nito. You know that we are now pushing for the usage of CFL against incandescent bulbs. Maybe in 2 years' time, wala na po tayong IV, incandescent bulbs. And then, we are pushing also for an energy conservation bill. Hopefully, you can help us in this. Because we are saying for companies using at least 1 megawatt hour per month should have at least a trained or competent energy manager. Hindi naman kailangan single task lang niya yun. It can be multitasking, but there should be in one company an energy manager who is knowledgeable in putting into effect energy efficiency and conservation techniques. And now we can develop also ESCOs, electric service companies. And together with you again, we would like to look at energy benchmarking. We will consult you on this because definitely there's a need to determine the benchmark, what's per square meter of commercial buildings, what's per square meter of industrial plants, etc. Solar thermal cooling, we would like to use solar-assisted cooling for air conditioning and refrigeration. I'm making now a concept paper using that concept in building maybe small refrigeration plants in small villages. Kasi po yung ating mga fishing villages, very often, kung hindi mo nagpupunta yung trader doon, tinatapon lang po yung isda. Kasi napakadami po yun. Now, sometimes the trader don't go there because iniisip niya wala namang mararating dyan. What we are saying is, let's put some small chiller plants in these ports, and the trader and the fisherman now has a very good feeling na pag pumunta yung fisherman has a bank where he can deposit yung kanyang catch for the day.